All right, you guys, we are back at the shop. Now today, or at least right now, I am going to install a new seat because this one is caca. And these are not even the original seats for the Civic. This is a 94 to 95 Civic seats, and I'm just sick and tired of them. They came this way with the car, so yeah, so I'm really tired of those seats. And my seat brackets are in for my new seats. They actually come with sliders. These are sliders that Spencer gave me in the last video for a fixed bucket seat, but this will fit better for the seat that I am installing. We had it sitting like on top for like the longest, very dusty. So we're gonna clean this thing, try it out in the car, and just have a better seat. Damn. Yeah, it's supposed to be red and black. It looks great. Oh god, that's how dusty it is, you guys. So let's clean this thing. And you know what else? It's exactly the same material that I'm searching for. It's like a, how can I say it? It's like a matrix seat. It's stitched cotton. I'm gonna try the red and black look temporarily until my seats actually come in, but it should be dope. Damn, that's crazy. That seat did not look like this before. It's hella bright red. I actually like this. Alright, woo! Sorry guys, I have to switch to the Sony because the Canon's really pooping out on me. My laptop even pooped out as well. But I hope you guys can see me because I cannot see myself with this camera. Trying to shoot me now with your little Canon arm?
Yeah.
Look, she's the fastest person alive.
No, I'm faster than her.
How? She got a Corvette symbol on top of her dome. Hey guys, so these brackets sit like this. And I need to make new holes, but before I do anything, because they already have sliders, I'm gonna take off my seat in the car and then see if this seat will even fit before I make new holes into this bracket. And yeah, because I'm not trying to tear up my car, but come on, man, y'all some crazies. But like I was saying, I'm gonna take off my seat right now and see if it'll even fit, because this is a wider, well damn, you guys can't see shit. Let me just fast forward. Okay you guys, I'm gonna pull you guys out of the vlog again. Okay, with this particular vlog right here, right in this moment, me and Juan realized that the holes for the holes that are on the sliders that are built in on these seats are already off. So I had to go get 2 pieces of metal, get them welded onto the bracket, and then make holes onto that bracket. The original sliders that are on it, I can still bolt those onto the bracket, which you guys will see in a bit. I just recently found that footage because I filmed it on the GoPro and not on this camera. Still to this day, me and Juan do not know what these seats were built for. We didn't know if they were built for a truck, a Jeep, a Civic, S14. We don't know. Originally Juan got these seats just to keep in the shop, and eventually he didn't like it, so he just, like, you know, took one home for gaming for his drift simulator, and the other one he just left at the shop. As you saw, it was dusty. So I'm gonna fast forward you guys probably like at least 2 months later, because Juan did not have any more gas for his welder because he welded my fenders. When he welded my fenders, he didn't have any gas, so like did the best we could. Other than that, I did install some underglow. If I can find the footage, I'll show you, but in this video I installed some underglow on Panda, which came out amazing, but because of the wheel flying off, it ripped some of the wires, so I'll probably do another video on that. So with this, I'm gonna fast forward to when I get the metal brackets onto the seats, the extra pieces of metal, and then I believe I started working on the carpet, and that's kind of a recent thing, so you guys will be up to date probably by the next video. Put you guys back in the vlog and enjoy. Guys, I'm outside of my house right now. Got the seat right there. and the brackets are welded with the extra piece of metal, so that way if I put the hole here, the back part of the hole will sit on this plate, and I have more than enough room just in case I get some other seats, and I could put extra holes if I need to. So like this one is the passenger seat, so the old seat belt works. So right now I'm gonna mount these sliders. It comes with its own sliders, but the hole right there, I'm going to match that up onto here. See if I can drill it and then put it in the car. So it might rain, so I'm trying to do this fairly quick. Alright people, as you can see, it's been a week later in this video, but keep in mind this was all filmed like sometime in, I want to believe, May. It was a few months back for me, and I realized that now watching this footage that the audio kept moving in and out. This is before I solved the GoPro problem, where the GoPro was rattling around in its case, but now I fixed that problem. All this footage is just the audio going in and out, so I decided just to time lapse it. Hope you guys enjoy it. All I did was vacuum the interior, shampoo the carpet, and then wait for it to dry, and then once it dried, I started doing the carpet dye. So just enjoy the time lapse real quick, and I'll show you guys the next update that I do on the carpet next, and we'll go from there. Alright you guys, I got the GoPro out again, and also I put the carpet on here and put a tarp because I don't want to get on dirt. But right now it is hot as shit. This is the perfect time for me to do this because the sun would dry it up right away. A bunch of freaking cans of paint here, and I have like 2 more in the house right now. What is 5 of the vinyl paint for a carpet. This is like the last of it in the area because I went through 3 AutoZones this morning, and that's what I got. The other 2 cans I bought like 2 weeks ago. But yeah, I'm here doing a day and I can get this going. The GoPro is actually at 20%, so I'm probably going to time lapse probably like a real short clip and show you guys the finish, because I think this vlog is long enough. So I'll see you guys after time lapse. What I got off just the first can alone. As you can see on that side, there are not really any streaks. I can't tell on the GoPro. On this side, you can definitely see the streaks, so that's why I got multiple cans. But this is just the first half. These are technically the back seats, on the floor of the back seats. So I still got the front half. I got probably 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more of those. So this thing will be completely black. I did save my rear floor mats because I don't think I'm gonna find those anywhere. So I got the rear ones. I'm gonna go in the house and grab those, bring them out here, get them painted as well, get everything done at once. And I have the 2 front special floor mats coming in. So right now, I'll see you guys later because GoPro's not. Alright people, right now I was doing some filming of the car, but I want to show you guys the seats are most definitely in, even though you guys can't see it. Let me get the light real quick. So the seats are in, solid and strong. They do look pretty good in the car. The floor is magnificent, came out really good. I got these pretty thick floor mats, and they're also in the back as well. The back of the floor came out pretty solid. Everything's pretty good. And of course, I got some dope ass floor mats to match the seats right here. Like, even when I put on the glow lights and everything, you can see that the Samurai changes color, which is pretty freaking dope. I am in love with that. I was designing my own floor mats, but right now I'm just gonna leave it with this because I have these seats. So I'm pretty happy with this. Just want to show you guys that real quick. Most of the interior is now dialed in. I just got to finish these pillars and of course what I have planned for the top. But other than that, I think that is it. And as you guys know, I do have the glow inside the gauges as well, and possibly maybe a new radio because I love this one, but I'm thinking of a bigger screen. So that's it. I mean, that's it for this video. Again, it's the first time I had like took out the carpet, shampooed it, painted it with the carpet dye, and then same thing for the seats. Welding the seat brackets, make them like super solid, like they're not budging at all. Those floor mats came in not too long ago. I have some time off work, so I'm catching up on a lot of editing. It's just certain things that I'm trying to play with, put together, and just make the content a little bit more interesting for you guys. It's not all about the cars. I'm still doing some of the stunt stuff, martial arts stuff. So I do want to put more of that content out there because I do get a lot of DMs on Instagram for you guys, for me to do more of the martial art, even though I keep my martial art on Instagram. But it seems like you guys want to see how I do it, or my process of filming it in the vlogs. So I'll start doing that for sure. Sorry guys if the video seems short. I mean, like, this was all filmed months ago on the GoPro, right after I fixed the car from the wheel flying off. You guys seen that. Then again, I mean, if you guys like the content that I'm still putting out there, because I almost wasn't going to show any of this, but if you guys do like it, make sure you smash a like. Again, that's it, you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one. Or I don't know if I'll see you guys on the next one, because I keep going through stuff. Yeah, that's because your boy got state ref.